How to get Quip. Quip is a popular brand known for its sleek, affordable, and effective oral care products, including electric toothbrushes, refillable floss, and mouthwash dispensers. The company offers convenient subscription services for brush head replacements, floss, and toothpaste, making dental care easier and more consistent. Here's a step-by-step guide to getting Quip. Understand what Quip offers. Quip provides a range of oral care products designed for simplicity and efficiency. Their key offerings include electric toothbrushes, lightweight, battery-powered with timed vibrations; smart electric toothbrushes, connects to an app for tracking brushing habits; kids' toothbrushes, smaller, gentler versions of the adult toothbrush; refillable floss dispensers, eco-friendly with pre-measured floss; mouthwash dispensers, refillable and designed for daily use; toothpaste, fluoride-based formula for cavity protection. Decide which Quip product you need. For individuals, start with the Quip electric toothbrush and toothpaste. For families, bundle packages offer savings and convenience. For kids, specialized toothbrushes with fun colors and soft bristles. For tech enthusiasts, smart toothbrushes with Bluetooth connectivity. Choose the right electric toothbrush. Quip offers two primary types of electric toothbrushes: standard electric toothbrush, simple, battery-powered with 30-second pulse reminders; smart electric toothbrush, tracks brushing habits via a mobile app and offers rewards for consistent use. Explore available accessories and add-ons. Quip also sells refillable floss, pre-marked to use the right amount each time; mouthwash starter kits, refillable dispensers with antimicrobial formulas; travel covers and holders, magnetic covers double as stands and travel cases. Choose a subscription plan. Quip is best known for its subscription model, which ensures you never forget to replace your toothbrush head, floss, or toothpaste. Brush head refills every 3 months. Floss refills, pre-cut strands arrive quarterly. Toothpaste refills, available in standard or travel sizes. Where to buy Quip products. Official website, the best place to customize your order and sign up for subscriptions. Retail stores, available at major retailers like Target and Walmart. Online marketplaces, third-party sites may carry Quip products, but subscriptions are only available through the official site. How to order from the Quip website. Visit the official Quip website. Select the product as you want: toothbrush, floss, mouthwash, etc. Choose your preferred color and accessories. Add a subscription plan if desired. Enter your shipping and payment details. Confirm your order, setting up and using your Quip toothbrush. Insert the battery, included with your brush. Attach the brush head. Press the power button to start the timer. Brush for 2 minutes, following the 30-second pulse prompts to switch quadrants. Managing your subscription. Log into your Quip account. Adjust, pause, or cancel subscriptions anytime. Track past orders and delivery schedules. Quip makes oral care simple with stylish, effective, and easy-to-use products. The subscription model ensures you always have fresh supplies, and the modern design fits seamlessly into any bathroom setup.